Okay then, let's find somewhere where I can set up to shoot this video. See you in a second. Hello there, Jason DePaoli here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning. So I've had people asking me how easy it is to build muscle really quickly. Now there's a few things you have to keep in mind how to build muscle. It's not as easy as most people think. So I'm going to point out 3 different things that you can do while you're training to help you build muscle really quickly. The first step is to eliminate all isolation exercises. Now this might sound a little bit weird here because most bodybuilders will do isolation workouts like legs, buys, tries and stuff like that, but if you want to build muscle more quickly is to eliminate those exercises really quickly and then focus on the main compound movements like deadlifts, military presses, squats, bench presses, stuff like that. Those kinds of exercises are going to use more muscle fibers in your workouts, and that's going to make you build more muscle really more quickly. Next is to aim for frequency like every other day. So you want to do your frequency every other day. So if you're going to do a big whole body workout with big compound movements, do your workout every other day. So give yourself a day's rest. That rest day will allow your muscles to knit back together and get stronger. So and thus this will make you build muscle a lot more quickly. Okay, lastly, utilize full body workouts. This will produce more testosterone naturally. So like I said in the previous points, ditch the isolation, start doing for full body workouts every other day. Now you can do a split, so you can do a full body workout, you can do an upper and lower body split, but if you can, I tend not to do legs one day, triceps, biceps. If you want to build muscle really quickly, you want to utilize all the muscle groups, as many as you can, those muscle fibers. That's going to produce a lot more testosterone naturally, and then the testosterone is going to make you build a lot more muscle, especially in men. It will happen in females, but at a lesser degree. So if you take away those 3 points that I've just mentioned, just ditch the isolation exercises, use more compound movements, set your frequency so you're doing one day off, one day, a full body workout, upper body, lower body split the next couple of days. And then, like I say, on the last piece I've just mentioned here, do full body workouts because that's going to make more testosterone. So I hope you like this video. I hope this adds a little bit of extra knowledge to how to build muscle. There is a lot more other things to do build muscle, like progressive overloads, rest, all that, etc, etc. I can do that on another video maybe, but this is going to be one thing that you can do, but most people tend to forget. So if you like this video, please like and share. Please hit the like button below. If there's any questions, don't hesitate to email me or get me on social media. I'll get right back to you with any questions about getting stronger, fitness, health, anything like that. And I shall see you on another video coming real soon.